Hello my beautiful friends, it's Clara with Sophisticated Country coming to you with a unboxing today. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you're coming back, I appreciate you stopping by again. Hello. I am excited about this little gem right here. It is the Reveiw ceramic hairbrush straightener. I know that's a lot to say, but I am going to unbox it for you guys, and I'm going to give you a review, and I'm going to let you see exactly what it does and how it does it. So if it's something that interests you guys, I hope you stick around and watch till the end. And yeah, here we go. I know I'm a little late to the party on this little gem, but better late than never, right? Right off the get-go, I love the color. It is so pretty, and I'm surprised it's actually fairly lightweight. I was expecting it to be a little on the heavy side, but it's not. I have to say, guys, when I opened her up, I was so... I just love the way this thing looks. It's like really, really pretty. I love the little chrome accent where the on-off switch is at. It's just really, really pretty. I love that they've made this a swivel cord. If you're anything like me, I hate some of the things that I have here at home because the cords get completely jumbled up and all kinds of messy. So I really like the fact that it's got a swivel cord. I also like the idea of the length of the cord. It's nice and long so that you're not, you know, trying to be T-Rex hands doing your hair. It has very easy controls. It's got the power button and the up and down switches. I also like how quickly it heats up for you. If this video is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button now so we can hang out all the time.
A few moments later.
I will tell you, I am 100% impressed by this little straightener. It's awesome. It took me all of like 5 minutes to straighten my hair, and you saw the braid that I had it in just made it like really curly, and just I honestly, it's a great buy. I purchased it on Amazon for $46 and some change, and I would definitely recommend it. So just to reiterate, this is the Reveiw hairbrush straightener, and it was $46.55 on Amazon, and yes, I purchased it. No promo, you know what I mean? So just, yeah, it's worth the hype. Enjoy, guys.